Hi, I'm Billi Maddox and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to.
It's occurred to me there's no real way to show someone how to weather. Time and time again, I've ruined piece after piece. But I say ruined. Well, that's the point, right? Getting good at anything, you gotta put the work in. And sometimes that means being patient and seeing your hands steady over time. Marred edges and oil stains should tell a story. And maybe that's what I've learned. Where I was indiscriminate before, now I'm thinking about how objects are handled, how they're stored or secured, how they communicate their use. So by scrape or stain or smear, we make our relics feel real. The last bit of magic dust to top off a project. But how do you do it? But how do you do it, you ask? My answer to that question is yes. Can I paint scratches onto it? Yes. Pack dirt onto it? Yes. Scuff it up while handling it? Yes. Drag it from a moving vehicle? Yes. Drop it from a yes. Throw it against a yes. All of it. Whatever works. Thank you so much to my patrons, and there's a link in the description if you're into it. Thank you so much for watching. Roll the thing!